Dear friends, welcome to our channel Rotating and Static Equipments. In this video session, we will discuss about what is meant by gaskets and what are the types of gaskets and its applications. If you like this video, please kindly click the like button and it will be motivating me to do more videos. Let's get into the video. First, what is meant by gasket? Gasket is a mechanical sealing device. A piece of metallic or non-metallic material is used as a gasket, and it is used to make a tight sealing between two parts that are joined together. It is fill the space between the two mating surfaces or flanges to prevent the leakage from the joint objects while under compression. Next, types of gaskets. From the gasket, mainly we have a two classification. One is metallic gasket and second one is non-metallic gasket. So ASME B16.20 stands for metallic gasket and ASME B16.21 stand for non-metallic gaskets. Next we will see types of metallic gasket. From the metallic gasket we have four types. The first one is ring joint gaskets. From the ring joint gaskets we have three cross sections. One is R, second one is RX, third one is BX. Okay. So next, the second one is spiral wound gasket, third one is metal jacketed gasket, the last one is grooved metal gasket with the covering layers. Okay. So next we will see types of non-metallic gaskets. Okay. From the non-metallic gaskets we have elastomers or rubber gasket. Second one is compressed non-asbestos fiber gasket. Third one is compressed asbestos fiber gasket. Fourth one is graphite gaskets. Then PTFE gaskets, mica gasket, insulation kit gaskets. Okay. Now we will see elaborately. If you want to learn about mechanical maintenance of rotating and static equipments with videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the notification for new videos. So first, ring joint gaskets. So ring type joint gasket is a solid metal, highly polished and highly integrity sealing gaskets. It is used for higher pressure and higher temperature applications such as oil and gas, petroleum, drilling pressure vessel joints, refineries and etc. RTJ gaskets designed for initial line contact and wedging action between mating phase and the gaskets by applying pressure on the flanges seals interference through the bolt forces, and it is creates very tight and efficiency sealing. So the RTJ gaskets are classified into three types. The first one is R type, second one is RX type, third one is BX type. Okay. So R type gaskets are classified into two types. The first one is oval, the second one is octagonal. The original design for the R type gasket is oval. The octagonal RTJ gasket is a modification to oval design and provides better sealing. The octagonal cross section has higher sealing efficiency rather than oval cross section. Flanges with octagonal grooves or flat bottom grooves will accept either style. The oval type is the only type RTJ that will fit oval or radius grooves. The hardness of the RTJ gaskets should be less than the hardness of the flange grooves, otherwise it will damage flange faces and grooves. These types of gaskets are used up to 10,000 psi and it is suitable for API 6B, ASME B16.5, ASME B16.47A flanges. Next we will go for RX type RTJ gasket. So RX type gaskets are fit into the same groove sizes of the R type gaskets for interchangeability. The RX type gasket is wider than the R type gasket, hence the flange face to face separation will be higher when comparing with the R type gasket. These types of gaskets are used for up to 15,000 psi. This cross section makes the gasket self-energizing effect. This type of gaskets are used for more sealing points, resist vibrations and shock loading. Next we will go for BX type. BX type gaskets are only suitable for API 6BX type flanges. These type of gaskets are used up to 20,000 psi pressure. This BX type gasket has a pressure passage hole for pressure equalization on each sealing face side. BX type gaskets are not interchangeable with R and RX type gaskets. The dimension of the gasket comparing to the R and RX type will be varying according to the standards. Next we will go for a spiral wound gasket. A spiral wound gasket is a metallic or semi-metallic gasket and it is used for higher pressure and higher temperature application. The sealing element is formed by binding two materials into the thin V-shaped or W-shaped spirals. A spiral wound gasket consists of three elements. First one is inner ring, second one is outer ring, third one is sealing elements or filler binding. These types of gaskets are used from minus 200 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius according to the material of construction and binding and filler, and operating pressure up to 250 bar. Next we will go for gasket marking identification. Okay, so each and every gaskets are having gasket marking identification. So from the gasket side face you will get some texting and as well as numbering to find out the gasket specification. So we will see this one by one. The first one is Klinger MEGF, in the sense it will indicating manufacturer name. The second one is 2-inch 150 class, which means gasket diameter size and as well as pressure size. Okay. Next, third one, it will indicating you binding and filler material, which means 316L, in the sense binding material, and FG is indicating filler material, which means filler graphite. Okay. Next, fourth one, it will indicating inner ring material 316L, in the sense SS. So it will indicating the gasket inner ring material. Okay. The last one is ASME B16.20, which is manufactured to ASME B16.20. Okay. With this you can easily find out the suitable spiral wound gaskets as per the marking identification. Next we will go for spiral wound gasket color coding. So color coding of a spiral wound gasket is specifies material of construction for the metallic binding material and non-metallic filler material. For example, here you can see some colors with material description. If you see these colors on the gasket OD face, it will indicate binding material, and if you see these colors on the OD rim strip, then it will indicate filler material. Okay. Take a screenshot about this spiral wound gasket color coding chart and keep it with you for your reference. Next we will go for metal jacketed gaskets. Metal jacketed gasket is a type of metallic gasket and it is consist of a metallic outer shell with either a metallic or non-metallic compressed fiber filler. The filler materials gives the gasket sealing resilience, while the metal jacketed protects the filler and resists pressure and temperature and corrosion. Metal jacketed gaskets are specially designed and widely used for heat exchanger, pressure vessel, stacks, boiler and etc. So metal jacketed gaskets are having some different styles like single jacketed gasket, double jacketed gasket, corrugated jacketed gasket and single jacketed overlap gasket, double shell type and etc. Next we will go for grooved metal gaskets with the covering layer. So grooved gaskets are excellently suited for sealing of media under extreme operating conditions such as high operating pressures and temperatures. Grooved gaskets are ideal replacements for problem application associated with other similar gasket as metal jacketed, solid metal, solid graphite or PTFE gasket. So grooved gaskets are classified into three types. The first one is grooved gasket with a standard profile. The second one is grooved gasket with a convex profile. The third one is convex gasket. These types of gaskets are used in power plants, heat exchanger, manual gaskets, at steam generators, chemical and petrochemical industries and etc. Next we will see types of non-metallic gaskets. So ASME B16.21 covers types, sizes, materials, dimensions, dimensional tolerance and markings for non-metallic flat gaskets. whether it could be rising phase gasket or full phase gasket. Generally, these types of gaskets are used for low temperature and low pressure applications. So now we'll see these gaskets one by one. First, elastomers or rubber gaskets. An elastomer gaskets are polymer with the physical property of elasticity. Elastomer is the term derived from elastic polymer, which is oftenly used interchangeably with the term rubber. Here you can find some elastomer materials: neoprene, styrene butadiene, nitrile, EPDM, Viton, natural rubber, silicone, and etc. Next we will go for compressed non-asbestos fiber and compressed asbestos fiber gaskets. CAF and CNAF gaskets are die cut or circular cut gaskets from gasket sheets, which are manufactured from carefully selected fiber intimately blended with suitable heat resistant binder and etc. and vulcanized into the sheet of homogeneous composition and uniform thickness. CNAF gaskets comes in variety of basic material comprised of carbon, graphite, fiberglass, aramid, fiber Kevlar and other minerals fibers. These gaskets are used for lower pressure and lower temperature applications. Next we will go for graphite gaskets. This is an all graphite materials containing no resins or inorganic fillers. It is available with or without a metal insert and in adhesive back tape form. Flexible graphite has an outstanding resistance to corrosion against a wide variety of acids, alkalis and salt solutions, organic compounds and heat transfer fluids even at high temperatures. Next we will go for PTFE gasket. PTFE in the sense polytetrafluoroethylene. So PTFE gasket is the most common thermoplastic gasket material. PTFE outstanding properties include resistant to temperature extreme from cryogenic to 450 degree Fahrenheit. PTFE gaskets is highly resistant to chemicals, solvents, caustics and acids except free fluorine and alkali metals. Next we will go for mica gaskets. Mica gasket sheet is a readily processable form comprised of a high percentage of mineral held together with a small amount of silicon binders. Mica gasket material is an excellent alternative for high temperature applications such as diesel engine, automotive sectors, gas turbine, gas and oil burners, heat exchangers and etc. Next we will go for insulation kit gaskets. Insulation kit gaskets are high integrity flange gaskets and seals for increased pressure and critical service application. It is comprised of PTFE based spring energized jacketed radial phase seals seated in a high modulus composite seal container which is permanently bonded to the high integrity metal core. It is provides electrical protection where two dissimilar flanges material are mated together. It is prevent the corrosion of flanges and its joints connections. With this, I am completing my video. I hope you have learned something about gaskets through this video. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching this video.